Hey guys, I'm Lujina. I'll be giving you math lessons in this channel, but make sure to subscribe this channel and press the bell button and like the videos. Press if you like this video and write down below in the comments what lessons you want me to explain and what other stuff you want to add in this video. Okay, today I'll give you the first lesson, order of operations. Okay, this is our lesson for today. For the steps of the order of operations. Well, not the steps. The order itself is PEMDAS. PEMDAS is the order of operation. Any operation or any expression you have in the math, you'll solve it in this order. Okay? P for parentheses, E for exponents, M for multiplication, D for division, A for addition, and S for subtraction. Okay? P for parentheses, E for exponents, M for multiplication, D for division, A for addition, S for subtraction. The multiplication and division, whomever comes first in any equation or any expression or any operation, solve it first. For example, if you have 2 times 2 divided by 1, you'll solve multiplication first, then division. If you got 2 divided 2 times 1, you'll solve the division first. Because the multiplication and division, they don't, it's okay if you do whatever first, okay? And the addition and subtraction are the same. Okay, let's move on. I'll give you an easy way to remember this order of operation. I said I'll give you an easy way to remember this order. Okay, P will be please, E will be excuse, M will be my, D will be dear, A will be aunt, and S will be Sally. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. This sentence will always remember you of the order. P for parentheses, which is please, E for exponents, which is excuse, M for for multiplication, which is my, D for division, which is dear, A for addition, which is aunt, and S for subtraction, which is S. Okay? If you remember these, if you memorize this sentence, it will make you remember this order very easy. Okay? Let's give some examples for you to understand more. First example. Okay, it will be 1 second. Okay, first example will be 67. Sorry, I'll make it bigger in order for you to see. 67 minus 8 times 2. Okay? Sorry. I'll write you here the order. In order to remember it until you memorize it, okay? It is P E Here is a reminder, okay? Which one will we solve first? Let's see. P is for parentheses. Do we have any parentheses? No, we don't. Okay, let's move on. E for exponents. We don't have any exponents. Okay, what's next? M for multiplication. Yes, we have a multiplication. So we'll solve this first. We won't solve this. And I'll show you later why won't we solve this first. Okay? There's a big difference in the answer. Okay? 8 times 2 will be 16. And then do 67 minus 16. Okay? The answer will be 67 minus 16 will be 51. Okay? This is the right answer. Well, what will happen if we solve this first? Okay, we'll do 67 minus 8, which will be 59. 1 second. It will be 59. Then 59 times 2. The answer will be 118. There's a big difference in the answer. This is the wrong answer. This is the answer. We solve the multiplication first before the division. Okay?
Before the subtraction.
Before the subtraction. Another example. Example 2. 32 times 7 minus 5. Which one will we solve first? Okay, we'll solve the P. We don't have parentheses, we don't have exponents, we have multiplication. So we'll do 32 times 7. We'll do 32. Pause.
Go.
We'll do 32 times 7, which is 224. Okay, then 224. So we'll put this as 224 minus 5, as if this is the expression. Okay, 224 minus 5 will be 219. This is the right answer. Well, what happens if we solve the subtraction first? We'll do 7 minus 5, which is 2. We'll do 32 times 7 minus 5. Okay, this will be 2, and then we'll do 32 times 2. It will be 64. This is the wrong answer. Okay, I'll give you the last examples, and then I'll tell you what we'll do. Okay, example 3. Sorry. It will be 8.
Go.
I'll do 21 minus parentheses 5 power 2 minus 9. Okay, we've got parentheses. Well, what we'll do in the parentheses first. This is a tricky question. Well, it's not that tricky actually. Okay, 5 power 2 minus 9. Power 2 is the exponent. If anyone doesn't know how we solve the exponent, let me know in the comments and I'll explain in the next video. Okay? Now I'll explain just a very quick explanation. 5 power 2, which we'll do 5 times 5. Okay? And then minus 9. Again, the order of operations. What will we do first? We'll do the multiplication, which is the exponent. Okay, 5 times 5 is 25 minus 9. It will be 16. 16, okay? So I won't erase it in order for you if you want to copy things. Okay, it will be 21 minus 16, well, it became a normal expression, a normal question. 21 minus 16. Okay, it will be 5. So this is the right answer. Okay, this answer is the correct one. First, we'll solve the parentheses. Okay, what do we have in the parentheses? We have exponents and subtraction. Which one comes first? The exponents. So we'll solve the exponents, then we'll subtract, and then we'll do what's out of the parentheses. Okay? In order to make sure you guys understand, I'll give you 3 questions, only 3 questions. You solve them and you comment down below the answers. You write the answers in the comments, and I'll tell you if you wrote the answers right or wrong, and if you wrote the answer wrong, I'll explain to you why you got it wrong. Okay? So the homework, well, actually homework, okay, it will be 1. It will be 6 plus 9 minus 8 divided 2 equals, I don't know. And if you want to write the steps in order to solve it right, it's okay for me. Okay? Number 2, it will be what question do I get? Okay, 6 power 2 divided 12 plus 9 equals, and the last question, what question do I get for you? I don't want to make it that easy, but at the same time, I don't want to make it that hard. So I want something in between. Pause.
Go.
4 power 3 minus parentheses 5 plus 3 times 3 equals parentheses. Okay, these questions, I want the answers of them in the comments. Okay, and the third question, it might be hard on some people if they didn't take exponents before, or if they still don't understand this lesson. If anyone doesn't understand, make sure to let me know in the comments down below. And if someone doesn't know how to solve the exponents, don't just solve the first question and tell me in the comments that you don't know how to solve the exponents, and I'll explain it in the next video. Okay? That's it. That's it for today's lesson. Make sure that you press the subscribe button and give a thumbs up or a like to this video, and comment down below whatever you want to let me know, and don't forget to share if you like this video. Okay, bye.